Are you struggling with creating a faceless YouTube channel? If yes, this video is perfect for you. Creating a faceless YouTube channel can be quite tough. Gathering content, writing the script, recording the voiceover, shooting the video. It's a time-consuming and challenging task. But don't worry, we've got a game-changing solution for you. In this video, we'll introduce you to a groundbreaking AI tool that can handle all these tasks for you.
Really?
Yes, that's true. With the help of AI, you can create an entire video with just one click. Feeling excited? So without further ado, let's dive right in and explore how this AI tool can revolutionize your YouTube journey. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. This is your chance to take your YouTube game to the next level. Welcome to Invideo AI, a powerful tool that lets you create fully edited YouTube videos, documentary videos, YouTube shorts, and Instagram reels with just a single prompt. This tool automatically adds stock images, stock videos, AI voiceovers, and even edits the video for you, saving you time and effort. Let's dive in and see how it works. All right, now sign in your account and let's see how it works. After signing, you will be on the Creator page. And this is the prompt box where we have to enter the topic or prompt for our video. But before that, choose the workflow. You have 4 options: YouTube Shorts, YouTube Explainer, Recent Event Video, or Script to Video. For this example, I'll select the YouTube Explainer video. Now choose the duration of the video. We can create up to 15-minute video, but as of now I will select 2 minutes because it's just an example video. Now here enter your prompt. So here I'm going to write, generate a video about the importance of exercise for physical and mental health. And remember, always try to write a perfect prompt for your video, because just like ChatGPT, the quality of the prompt impacts the quality of the generated video. After that, specify the background music you'd like to add, choose the voiceover gender, and select the voice you prefer. You can also add a watermark if you wish. Then, decide if you want to use stock images or videos. In this case, I won't use iStock videos. Once all details are set, click Continue and then Generate. It will take a few seconds to analyze the topic. And then we have to select some settings. First is the audience, then looks and feel, and the last one is the platform. So here I will choose YouTube. Right, let's click on Continue. It will take some time to generate. I will fast forward this part for you. So our video is ready. Let's have a look.
How often do you engage in physical activity? Once a week, daily, or not at all? The power of exercise transcends the mere toning of muscles or shedding of pounds. It acts as a potent elixir, biking, running, or even a brisk walk.
As we can see, Invideo AI generate a script, voiceover, and video for us. Isn't it great? It's awesome. If you want to make some edits, simply click Edit. And from here you can modify the script or media. For instance, if you dislike a particular video clip, you can change it. Just select the video and upload your own media, or choose from Invideo's library. After editing, click on Apply. Now another and interesting feature of Invideo AI is we can edit or customize the video with just a text prompt. Suppose here I am going to write, increase the volume of background music and change the voice over to young British girl. And click on Generate. The changes are applied. Let's have a look.
Do you engage in physical activity? Once a week, daily, or not at all? The power of exercise transcends the mere toning of muscles or shedding of pounds. It acts as a potent elixir for our overall health. Regular physical activity, whether it's...
That's awesome. By this way, we can change anything in our video by giving just simple prompt. Now let's add subtitles in it by giving prompt.
Physical activity. Once a week, daily, or not at physical activity.
Wow, it's amazing. Invideo automatically adds subtitles by only one command. Or if you are still not satisfied with the results, click on the Regenerate button. Alright, now let's export this video. It will allow you to download up to 4K if you have a Pro plan. So our video is ready to download. Let's download this. Invideo also writes descriptions and timestamps for our video. Now let's have a look to our video.
Once a week, daily, or not at all? The power of exercise transcends the mere toning of muscles or shedding of pounds. It acts as a potent elixir for our overall health. Regular physical activity, whether it's biking, running, or even a brisk walk, can dramatically reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Heart disease, diabetes, certain cancers. All these health adversaries can be kept at bay with a healthy dose of exercise. Now consider this. Adults who engage...
If you are using free version, don't use stock images and footage, so you can easily crop that much part from the video. And you can be able to upload the video without watermark. That's all, guys. Now, let's wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Or if you like this type of tutorial, please write more AI video in the comment box. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing AI tutorials. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.